Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
In maintaining peace and harmony in the society, Goa Police has done tremendous job during the lockdown period. We have a special branch SP, SHOBIT Saxena, who also monitors social media. Sir, during the lockdown period, social media monitoring, how much crucial it was?
Social media monitoring was very crucial because for two reasons. One was that it was an avenue to reach out to the people, and it made sure that Goa Police was accessible and it was only one click away for everyone. And the second reason why it was very important was to make sure that we could counter fake news, we could identify fake news, and we could take action against any sort of hate speech or those kind of messages.
How many cases you have monitored which could spoil the harmony of society?
So our main aim was to ensure that we were able to track down all the offensive material immediately and take them down. So I think we have done a good job in ensuring that there was no hate mongering on a large scale. In some cases where we found that people were persistent in spreading fake news and hate messages, we have also through the district SPs and through cybercrime, we have booked some cases.
We have seen that on WhatsApp, people just share any unconfirmed news or which happens mostly fake news. What would be your message for the public at large?
Our message to the public is that these are very difficult times for all of us. We are fighting a pandemic and everyone on their part is making efforts. So anything that we share on WhatsApp or on other social media should be duly verified, because a lot of effort is going in providing first response services, in providing health services. But if we do not behave responsibly, if we send out messages without verifying them, then there is a chance that our efforts may come, they may not have the desired effect. So let us all decide to not forward messages without verification. Let us weed out fake news and spread only the correct figures, facts and those kind of things.
Though lockdown has been relaxed in the state of Goa, but threat is also there. So what would be your final message in view of being aware about the pandemic?
It is very important to be aware, because this is the first time in our lives that we have come across such a deadly pandemic. So we need to be aware. To put out information, Goa Police has reached out to people not only on the ground but also on social media. We have been taking out advisories. Please follow our advisories. If there is any doubt in your mind, please reach out to us. You can reach out to us through all mediums. You can reach out to us on social media, through our control room, or even through the police stations. So be aware and believe in only real news. Don't believe in fake news.
So SP SHOBIT Saxena says that public should not trust any forwarded message which comes from unverified source, and that should not be shared blindly. With camera person Tulsi Das Chari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.